I'm here at London Olympia at A Place in the Sun live. And welcome back, Maria and Ian, back to the show. Tell us about the first time you came to visit A Place in the Sun live at Olympia.
Well, Ian had just flown in from a business trip, so I dragged him along here, so he was a bit bleary-eyed. We walked in and we just saw a few people standing around and a camera, and I said, come and stand over here. And he said, what are we doing? I said, I think we're auditioning for the show.
What was it about Spain, and in particular the area of Estepona, that attracted you?
I think that we were attracted to the ease of getting to Spain, the weather, the climate, all year round climate, the property prices we felt were going to be good, and the fact that I'd been there quite a few times, so I was quite comfortable with the area and the region. So for us, it was location, weather, prices.
Do you think that coming here to the live show helped you in any way in terms of preparing for the trip out to Spain to buy your property?
Oh, definitely, because we'd been, before we came to the show that very first time, we'd been to Spain once and we'd had a little look around, so we knew the area we wanted to go. But being able to talk to everyone here, talking to the people on the stalls and things like that, that really helped us, didn't it?
And I think listening to the people talking in the hub, the different people talking on stands and everything else, it gave us a bit more of a clear idea of what the process would be and what possible pitfalls we could come up against. Not that we really found many.
And gave us confidence in going for the dream.
So what advice would you two give to anyone coming along to A Place in the Sun live who's looking at buying a property?
I think do have an idea of your price budget for a start, because you can get swept away with some of the amazing properties that could be for sale or on offer. So get your price budget before you come, and then take it from there. Just make sure you take as much information as possible.
Yes, I think so, and also just talk to as many people as you can who have had the experience. The people on the stalls, they're very often they're living out there. You can ask them anything you like, and they're so friendly, and they will just tell you exactly how it is.
Well, Ian and Maria, thank you so much. It's great to see you again, and congratulations on your wonderful new place out in Estepona. If you'd like to hear from more real-life owners like Ian and Maria, then visit aplaceinthesun.com/exhibitions.